Hey guys, Cam here, and this is it. Arguably the most exciting phone of the last 10 years. Or at least, it is for us nostalgic fools. This is the all-new Motorola RAZR for 2019, and it comes 15 years after the original one. Now, the first one was one of the most wanted phones of its time, and this is trying to rekindle that excitement in the era of folding phones. Like the first RAZR, there's a certain satisfaction that comes in flipping it open and shut again, and it even has that iconic chin on the bottom of the display, except this time it features a fingerprint sensor for unlocking the phone. Now, a big part of how this phone is made possible is the flexible display and the hinge mechanism. Once folded, it shrinks into this lovely compact square with an attractive textured pattern on the back and a secondary smaller display on the front. It's a touchscreen, so you can use it for controlling your music or reading your notifications. But it's also how you can take selfies with the primary camera, which is really the only proper camera on this phone. It's a 16 megapixel sensor. The other lower resolution one is in the notch in the main display and is used mostly for facial recognition. As for software, it runs a relatively clean version of Android, with the usual extra Moto added extras like gestures for screenshots and launching the camera. Inside, Motorola's gone with the Snapdragon 710 processor, which isn't the most powerful but definitely good enough for pretty much any activity. You also get 6GB of RAM, plus a relatively small 2510 mAh battery. It'll be interesting to see how it fares in daily use. Given that the bigger screen is mostly folded shut and powered down a lot of the time, it could well surprise us with its longevity. In the States, it goes on sale in January 2020 as an exclusive with Verizon, with a wider global launch later on. I've been Cam. I'll see you again soon.